I'm Matt Padlo. Welcome to this video where you will find out about the Fireball tool, which I love and I'm using, and hopefully you will want to use it too to speed up your production time, your fabricating, and your accuracy. Because if you can move faster in fabricating whatever you're fabricating, your products in your shop, the more that you can make money, and everybody loves that. Today we're working on a cage for a roll-up door. So a lot of these commercial projects we work on, which are commercial real estate properties to lease out to stores, grocery stores, retail stores, these big buildings all connected together in shopping centers. They all have tons of roll-up doors in the back. Same with warehouses, same with shops. Well, there's a lot of forklifts driving around in these warehouses, and usually they're not very good drivers and they can hit the door a lot. It's easy to do, we've done it as well. So protect their roll-up doors. They have us, metal manufacturers at times, build metal cages to protect the roll-up doors. So if a forklift hits it, it's gonna hit the cage, not the roll-up door, and it's much easier to repair and to replace a little cage than it is an entire roll-up door system. Just to clarify for everyone who didn't know, we're protecting the top roll-up part only. A tool that can really help you manufacture anything better is called a Fireball. I learned about this when I was doing a paper for my welding tech degree, and it's pretty cool. Traditionally, how you would square a part is you just hold this up on two pieces of pipe you were trying to make it a right angle with, and see if it was square and like tack it. And then you like tap it and double check it, try to hold some stuff. It's such a pain, it doesn't work, it takes a really long time. So to speed it up, somebody was finally smart enough to create a square with places for you to clamp it. So you just take your C-clamp and you clamp it to your pieces and your other pieces. This is a pretty accurately machined 90, and you see how we have tons of different faces, and you can also do a 45 with this, I believe. Anyway, they have a lot of different ways you can use this tool. They're pretty pricey, these little Fireball tools. Okay, so come see it work in action. So I have a corner here coming together, two 45s cut, and this Fireball tool, I just line it up, and like I said, this is precisely machined piece. So I know that it's pretty close 90. I'm not gonna say it's perfectly 90 because nothing is once you actually get the finished piece tacked, but it's as close as you can pretty much hope to get. Very accurate in other terms. Okay, so I clamp it there on this lip. So there we go. I know that this is 90 to this piece of metal, and this clamp's holding that, so when I tack it, even look, because since the guy was a welder who invented this, he even thought to make sure to round off this corner so you have a place to get in there and put a tack. So now I can tack this all up, and it's ready to go. So that's called the Fireball tool. If you're manufacturing and you want to quickly and accurately get 90s, look them up. I highly recommend it, and we've been using this tool a lot, and it's still holding up. The Fireball tool is worth every dime. It'll actually make you money. I certainly recommend it. If you found this video informative, and or if you go buy the Fireball tool, go ahead and make sure to like this video for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe. And you can follow me on Instagram at Matt Padlo.